Hey, what's up, guys? Mikel Bennett here, and I just wanted to tap in with y'all real quick and just talk about, what my sweatshirt say too, right? Time is the currency we can only spend once. So what I want you to do is stop wasting it, right? So many people keep wasting time. Listen to me. In the last year alone, I've lost 3 people that I care about, right? And 3 people that I looked up to. And these 3 people, they were different, right? They were types of people that they wanted more in life, right? They had big goals, things that they had plans for tomorrow, things they had plans for next week, next month, next year, right? Big ass goals, right? But guess what? They never got to accomplish those goals because time don't wait for nobody. If I ask you right now, how much time you got left? You cannot give me an answer. You don't know how much time you got left. So what I want you to do is stop acting like you know how much time you got left and get to what you got in your head. All those goals and all those dreams that you got in your head, you need to start taking action on them. Stop waiting for other people to validate your dreams and goals, right? That makes no sense whatsoever, because when you lay down that night, who deals with it? You. When you lay down in that cemetery and you take that big ass golden dream with you, who's gonna lay down with you? Not a single person, right? So what I want you to do is stop going to these small-minded ass people, these friends that you got, and sharing your big dreams and sharing your big goals, because you in your head, you already know that you can accomplish it. You've been already studying it. You've been putting actions in the plan. You've been mapping it out. You put it on your vision board. You know you're going to get it. But the moment you share it with Lil Bobby don't believe that you could do that, because he ain't never seen nobody do that before. He don't know nobody that's done that before, right? So when you share that with Bobby going to tell you, man, that sound crazy. I don't know. But yo, pick your heart. Everything is hard. Everything is hard. No matter what you do, it's not going to be easy. So the best thing that you can do is start working on it today, right? Why? Because time is a currency we can only spend once. And time don't wait for nobody. So if you could take anything from this message that I put here today, is go after what you going after. Go after what you got in your brain. Go make it happen. Stop waiting for other people to validate your dreams and your goals.